GameStop.
GameStop
is the craziest I think I've ever seen.
Turned into the soap opera, and that is the story of GameStop.
Really incredible. It shows the power of social media.
It's gonna take this company into the f***ing stratosphere!
A Reddit-based trading group has piled into the stock at odds with some of the most experienced Wall Street investors.
Now we're sat in this scenario where there's 5.9 million individuals that are all discussing what they want to trade.
I think you're going to see a number of hedge funds declare bankruptcy in the next several days.
Melvin Capital is now out of the stock. They've taken a rather huge loss.
This stock has completely disconnected from the fundamentals. The company's fundamentals are heading in the opposite direction of the stock price.
But I think it will end. It will end very badly for the public.
When things got so crazy, the platforms stopped letting investors buy those stocks, who accused Robinhood of manipulating the market.
And we're going to do what we can to enable trading in these stocks.
So they had to borrow $2 billion from banks in order to cover these trades. So that's why they're saying they had to disable it.
You can't buy the stock anymore. You can only sell it. And they're trying to make people scared so that they can cover their shorts.
This shit that Robinhood is pulling on us now, stopping us from trading, barring us from their platform, our home, the home that we built. What the fuck is that, you know? It's them trying to squash us, the little guy, to put us all back in our places instead of the other way around, like we've been doing to them.
Whether you believe that or not, the market makers were making Robinhood disable these trades to allow them to get out of their short selling positions.
And that's what happens when you don't have an honest market.
Full of beans, man. What happened last week? Why do you stop people? Why can people buy the GameStop shares?
Our operations team receives a file from the NSCC. The request was around $3 billion, which is, about an order of magnitude more than what it typically is, right?
Did you sell your clients down the river, or do you have no choice? And if you had no choice, that's understandable. Yeah.
We want to give people the access, so that's been very, very challenging. But we had no choice in this case. We had to conform to our regulatory capital requirements, and so the team did what they could to make sure we were available for customers.
Stock trading down significantly. Implied volatility in the GME options are also down significantly.
The silver market is seeing a surge in demand as retail investors pile in, and bullion dealers are having a hard time meeting demand with their supply.
We don't actually know who these Reddit users are, nor what market moves they're making.
Today, I think we're 15% up on GameStop today, but those are not big moves compared to what we've been seeing recently.
Is there people saying, hey, hold the stock, no matter what happens, it's going to go higher?
I get your point that we don't know who's making these recommendations, but you're not looking at one individual or 5 individuals acting as an analyst and trying to give themselves some authority. You're talking about, tens of thousands of people who are posting.
Yeah, it's interesting to see what's going to happen. How long are these retail traders going to hold these positions?
And today, everybody is back in the game.